Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 2008 Lexus ES350 and he's complaining about between 40 and 50 miles an hour the car's got a vibration. Alright, so I went and test drove it, confirmed yes it has a vibration, but I noticed that if you let off the gas it doesn't take and vibrate, and if you get back on the gas it vibrates. That's telling me there's something wrong with either the axles or the motor mounts, you know, something besides the tires. The tires are brand new. He just had 4 brand new tires put on it. They're balanced, they seem fine. So getting a look at it, first thing I noticed is this is the torque strut. You can see that it is broken there. So we are definitely going to replace that. And then the front hydraulic mount, which is down there, kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can get a light on there. That mount right there is also a little bit weak, but we're going to change this mount first and see if that takes care of his problem. And then there is also a transmission mount on this side over here that's a little bit weak, and then the mount that's down low here, this one seems okay. So we're going to start with the mounts instead of the axles, because the axle boots aren't ripped. They are leaking grease a little bit, but I think they look okay. We're going to go ahead and get this torque strut and we'll drive it, and I'll come back and let you know if it fixed it or not. Alright everybody, on that Lexus I changed that torque strut mount on it and it did not fix the vibration, so we ended up having to put both axles in it and it took care of the vibration. This is the right hand side axle. It has the sub axle built onto it with a bearing, and you know the boots are in okay shape. They were leaking a little bit of grease but not that bad, but that is what took care of the vibration in the Lexus. I hope this helps everybody out. There's tons of videos on people changing axles, so I didn't show you how to change the axles, but it did take care of the vibration from 40 to 50 on that Lexus. All right, everybody, I'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.